How to replace a bathtub spout. In this case, we're going to need a screwdriver, a putty knife, a new shower head, and an Allen wrench. Any screwdriver will do, the flat head. I like to use this electric Skillman screwdriver. Most of the time, these will have either an Allen head screw in the bottom of the bathtub spout, which this one has an opening, but I don't see a screw in it from here at least. But it also has a flat head screw here, so we're going to remove that and then try to remove it. Other times there'll be no screw at all, and the whole bathtub spout just screws off counterclockwise. But okay, that took more effort than normal, but I just ripped it off the PVC pipe here. And now we're going to take the putty knife and scrape this old caulk off the tile. As much as we can. So the shower head that we're installing has this middle brass piece that has a set screw inside. So first we're going to take this brand new middle brass piece out. And there's the set screw. Tighten that down on the PVC and it holds the bathtub spout in place. So we're going to loosen that and then we're going to tighten it. So we loosen that top set screw with this Allen wrench, and then we put this brass piece on the PVC pipe, and make sure if you have one of these to make sure that the PVC pipe goes all the way through this brass piece, because there's a rubber washer or grommet on the inside that if this PVC pipe doesn't extend past that, then the water will backflow behind the tile here, and you'll have a leak. If you're in an apartment, you'll have a leak on the floor below you, or if you're on the first floor, you'll have a leak in your bathroom, and it'll start coming out of in between your floorboards or whatever you have for floor. But now we're going to tighten this set screw. Not too tight, don't want to crack the PVC. Last, we're going to screw this bathtub spout back onto the brass piece. It's threaded on the inside, as you can see, so we're just going to spin it on there. Just going to spin it till it's tight. Like with these, you don't have to caulk around the edge because it's already flat and flush with the tile. But we want to get it tight enough so there's no bend or flex in this. Like if I do it a lot, then the whole thing will, bend. But so you just want to tighten it enough. And that should be good. I'll call that good. There was a leak there, but that's another video.